You hit your ChatGPT limit again, didn't you? That frustrating moment when you're right in the middle of something important and it just cuts you off. I spent a week testing every free alternative out there, so you don't have to. Here's what actually works. Welcome to AI Chief. I'm Lynn Kunze. Every week we find the best free AI tools so you never have to pay for something you don't need to. Subscribe and join our weekly newsletter, link in the description. Now, let's get into it. Before we get into the list, let me quickly explain what's actually happening with free ChatGPT right now, because most people don't realize how bad it's gotten. You get 10 messages every 5 hours with GPT 5.3. Hit that limit, and it silently switches you to a weaker mini model without telling you. Most people don't even notice until their answers start getting noticeably worse. And paying $20 a month just to avoid that? You shouldn't have to. Because 7 free tools solve this problem completely. And that's exactly what we're covering today. Alternative 7, Microsoft Copilot. It runs on GPT 4o under the hood. It's completely free, and there are no message limits. The interface isn't as clean as ChatGPT, and it works better for research and web tasks than pure writing or coding. But for quick research, summarizing content, and web-based tasks, it gets the job done without any restrictions. And if your workflow already runs on Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, Outlook, Copilot integrates directly into all of it. Most people completely overlook that. Free. No sign-up required for basic use. Alternative 6, Perplexity AI. You mainly use ChatGPT for research. This one is genuinely better. Every answer comes with cited sources pulled directly from the live web. No hallucinations, no outdated training data. Real answers you can actually verify and trust. The free tier gives you unlimited searches with real-time web access, which already makes it more useful than free ChatGPT for anything research-related. No limits, no waiting. Best for fact-checking, summarizing topics, and research that needs to be accurate and sourced. Alternative 5, Google Gemini. Your work life runs on Google. This one is a complete no-brainer. The free tier runs on Gemini 2.5 Flash, a fast and capable model. But the real advantage here isn't the model itself, it's the integration. Gemini connects directly into your Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, and Calendar, bringing AI into the tools you're already using every single day, without switching tabs or copy-pasting between apps. Best for Google Workspace users, summarizing documents, and productivity workflows. Alternative 4, Meta AI. This one wins purely on how easy it is to access. There's nothing to download, nothing to sign up for. Meta AI is already built into WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger, apps that billions of people already have on their phones. For anyone who wants AI on the go without any friction or setup, this is genuinely the most accessible free option that exists. No limits, completely free, best for quick questions and on-the-go AI through apps you already use. Alternative 3, DeepSeek. You do any kind of technical work. This is the one to pay close attention to. DeepSeek made headlines earlier this year by matching frontier model performance at a fraction of the cost. Their free tier is genuinely one of the most generous available right now. Far more so than what ChatGPT offers for free. It excels at coding, debugging, math, and structured reasoning tasks. One thing worth being transparent about, DeepSeek is a Chinese company. If data privacy is a concern for your specific work, keep that in mind before using it for sensitive projects. Best for coding, debugging, math, and complex reasoning. Alternative 2, Claude AI. This is the one most professional writers and researchers have quietly switched to over the past year. The free tier gives you Claude Sonnet, a model that genuinely outperforms free ChatGPT on long-form writing, nuanced analysis, and following complex multi-step instructions without losing track of what you asked. And the context window is enormous. You can paste in a full document, a long transcript, an entire script, and Claude holds all of it without forgetting halfway through. That level of consistency is what makes it so reliable for serious work. Best for long-form writing, document analysis, and nuanced content work. Alternative 1. Google AI Studio. Here's what puts it at the top. The free tier gives you access to Gemini 2.5 Flash, fast, highly capable, with a massive context window, image understanding, document analysis, code execution, and real-time web search. All completely free. And crucially, no message limits cutting you off mid-task. Now, one important thing to flag. Gemini 2.5 Pro was removed from the free tier back in April 2026. If you've seen older videos claiming you get unlimited Pro access for free, that's no longer accurate. Flash is what's available on the free tier now, and it is still excellent. The interface feels slightly more technical than ChatGPT at first. Best for writing, coding, research, image understanding, and general daily use. So after a week of testing, here's what I tell anyone who's tired of hitting that ChatGPT limit. If research and web tasks are your thing, Microsoft Copilot is one of the strongest free AI tools. If you need research with real sources, use Perplexity. If you live inside Google, Gemini is already waiting for you. If you want AI that's instantly accessible, Meta AI is probably the easiest free tool. If you code or work with technical tasks, DeepSeek is the best free option out there right now. If writing and documents are your thing, Claude is genuinely hard to beat. And if you want one tool that handles everything without ever cutting you off, Google AI Studio is where I'd send you first. None of these cost a single dollar. If this helps, subscribe to AI Chief and join our weekly newsletter. We break down the best free AI tools every single week, straight to your inbox. Link in the description. And follow us on Instagram. Our team is active there every day, posting the latest AI updates, tool drops, and things you won't want to miss. That link is in the description too.